Meditation can feel intimidating when you're first getting started with it. I know I felt that way in the beginning. I thought, how the heck am I going to sit there for an hour with my eyes closed and try not to think about anything? I didn't realize that I could allow someone who's trained in guided meditation to guide and walk me through it by listening to them for as little as 10 minutes a day. It took the pressure off me and allowed me to relax to the sound of someone else's voice. That's what I hope to do for you with today's video. It's just a simple, beginner's guided meditation that you can listen to in the quiet of your own space. And whether you meditate for 5 minutes or an hour, you're still going to experience the health benefits in both mind and body. Meditation helps to lower blood pressure, lessen anxiety and stress, and provides a sense of deeper relaxation and well-being. So give it a shot and let me know if this was your first experience or not and how it made you feel. Please feel free to also request specific meditations for what you may be going through at this time. Sit back, relax, and let's get started. I'd like to begin by inviting you to gently close your eyes. You could be sitting in a chair, laying in a bed, on the floor. This is your time. There's no right or wrong way. Let's take your awareness into your breathing. Just breathing perfectly normally, experiencing the gift of each inhalation, releasing tension with each exhalation. There's nothing for you to do right now except feel yourself sinking deeper into your chair or on your bed, wherever you are in this moment. Just allow yourself to let go of everything. Old feelings, old anxieties, letting go with each out-breath. Breathing in peace and breathing out tension. And now take your awareness into the soles of your feet. Become aware of the ground beneath you. And imagine you're sending out tiny shoots into the earth from the soles of your feet and from the base of your spine. As these tiny shoots penetrate deeper and deeper into the earth, they become stronger and stronger, anchoring you securely to the earth. Perfectly safe, perfectly loved, perfectly at peace. As you draw from the energy of the earth into the core of your being. Being aware of the weight of your physical body and then releasing. Your flesh is softening like melting butter. There's nothing for you to do except be. Allowing your thoughts, all anxieties to flow through you and pass by you. Melting, softening, expanding. Peace around you and peace within you. Breathe. And as you continue to breathe, you become aware of a tingling sensation at the very top of your head as the love and light from heaven streams down into your body through the top of your head. You are perfectly safe here, perfectly loved, and perfectly at peace. As you bathe in this light that feels so familiar to you, you know on a deep level that this is who you really are, a divine light, experiencing the challenges of our physical body on earth. And some part of you knows that you're not alone on this journey. And as your body continues to fill with heavenly light, take your attention to the space just above and between your eyebrows, and imagine that you're sending out a beam of light that gets bigger and bigger until you're able to step into it. As you walk into this beautiful light, you feel perfectly safe and loved and have no fear. For this light is being created by your own intention that you can place here into the light right now. Your heart is open and full of grace. Now I'd like you to become aware of your roots secure in the earth. Take a moment to express gratitude for any guidance you may have received regarding the intention you placed into the light. Bring your awareness back to your physical body, gently moving your fingers and toes, feeling the sensation of the chair or the bed or wherever you're sitting or lying. Be present here, now feeling safe, blessed, and complete. And you can gently begin to open your eyes and be in peace.